So we are into this business for the past 20 years now, and we are working in around 45 countries. So we have our own office in Spain and in India, as well as we have our own office in Pune, which you can see the address over there. We are Sai Substrates from Tamil Nadu. So we are an integrated Cocopeat manufacturer from Tamil Nadu, exhibiting in the Kisan Expo 2024. So we are a company with variety of products as blocks, in bags and in grow bags. So we do all customized products as per the client's requirement. In this case, this one is for the berry mix, and this one is for strawberries, and that one is for the tomatoes. So these blocks, only these products we sell it in kgs. All other products we sell only in liters, because when you buy cocoa in liters, you pay money for cocoa. When you buy in kgs, you pay money for the water you're buying. So that's the case. So if you take this is the optimum mix for the blueberry cultivation back in India, with 50% cocoa and 50% chip. And we are a company fully integrated with all the manufacturing facilities, from raw material production, packing and loading. Everything is done within our facilities. So we are into this business for the past 20 years now, and we are working in around 45 countries. So we have our own office in Spain and in India, as well as we have our own office in Pune, which you can see the address over there. So in Cocopeat substrates, the advantage is you use only 1:10% of water. You use it for soil. That's the main advantage you have in the Cocopeat substrate. In this Cocopeat substrates, you can make a custom-made mix according to the climatic conditions of each location. So when you're on a hot location, you can just add 100% cocoa for good water retention. When you need some aeration for the rooting, you can add some cocoa chips. So that advantage, you can add it according to your climatic conditions, according to the crop you cultivate. So we have that advantages in cocoa. Yeah.